Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure power and connectivity are ready. This reduces dropouts. Once done, charge the buds to around 50% and open the case so they wake. Make sure Bluetooth is on for your device and turn off nearby Bluetooth sources to avoid interference. Now press and hold the earbuds pairing button 3-5 seconds until the LED blinks. This forces pairing mode. Doing that first lets your device discover the earbuds immediately, which speeds the rest of the process. You should see the earbuds appear in your device's Bluetooth list. Tap the model name to start pairing. If a code or permission prompt appears, accept it so features like media and calls work properly. Once paired, open the companion app if available. It applies firmware fixes and gives you left/right balance or touch control settings. Make sure both buds show connected. If only one connects, exit and repeat pairing. These steps ensure audio sync and access to performance-enhancing updates. You finish by testing real audio. Play a short video and listen for left/right balance and latency. If you notice drift, use the app to tweak equalizer or per rear gain. Sometimes switching codecs in device Bluetooth settings helps reduce lag. Confirm call mic and media both route to earbuds. If pairing or mono/stereo problems persist, perform a factory reset. Press and hold both earbud buttons about 10 seconds, then repair. That reset is the single most reliable fix when syncing fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.